Looking for a quick way to turn that Visa gift card balance into real spendable cash? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Visa gift card to your Cash App account so you can use that money anywhere Cash App works. And trust me, this process is super simple. First, open up your Cash App and make sure you're logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner. That's where all your money options live. Now tap Add Cash. Here you'll see a few preset amounts you can choose from, like $25, $50, or $100. If you want to add a different amount, just click the three dots and enter your custom value. Once you've chosen the amount, Cash App will ask for your card details. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and ZIP code, exactly as shown on your Visa gift card. As soon as you've filled out the information, the Link Card button will light up. Tap it, and Cash App will instantly link your gift card and move the money you selected straight into your Cash App balance. And that's it. You've successfully turned your Visa gift card into usable Cash App funds. You can now send that money to friends, spend it with your Cash Card, or even transfer it to your bank. So next time you get a Visa gift card, don't let it collect dust. Link it to your Cash App and put that money to work right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and check the description below for more Cash App tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my next quick guide.